The question has haunted us for centuries. What is the meaning of work? For most of human history, it was about survival, about tilling the land, building homes, and providing for our families. The Industrial Revolution shifted that. It moved us from fields to factories, from manual labor to assembly lines. And with each new wave of technology, we adapted. We learned new skills, found new purposes. But this time, it's different. This time, the revolution isn't just about hands. It's about minds. Artificial intelligence is here. And it's not just automating repetitive tasks. It's writing code, designing logos, diagnosing diseases, and even creating art. This isn't just about replacing muscle. It's about replacing thought. This is the new reality. So, what happens when the work we know and understand simply disappears? Let's imagine the best-case scenario. AI takes over the boring, dangerous, and monotonous jobs. It manages logistics, drives our cars, and handles our finances. We produce everything we need with a fraction of the effort. We enter an age of abundance. With automation handling the necessities, humanity is finally free to pursue its true passions. We can finally invest our time in what makes us truly human. Art, music, science, exploration, and building relationships. We could see an explosion of creativity and innovation. Society could implement a universal basic income, UBI, providing everyone with enough money to live comfortably. Poverty becomes a relic of the past. The definition of success shifts from wealth and status to personal growth and fulfillment. We could become a society of creators, explorers, and thinkers, unbound by the necessity of earning a living. But what about the nightmare scenario? A future where the power of AI is not shared, but concentrated in the hands of a few. The gap between the owners of AI and everyone else becomes an unbridgeable chasm. The vast majority of the population is deemed economically redundant. A new class of the unemployed emerges, a group that has no purpose or value in the new economy. This leads to social unrest, political instability, and a complete loss of meaning. Work is not just about money. It's about identity. It gives us a routine, a social circle, and a sense of purpose. When work disappears, what happens to our mental health? We could become a society of people with no purpose, addicted to virtual reality and passive entertainment to numb the pain of irrelevance. The promise of freedom turns into a prison of endless leisure and spiritual emptiness. This isn't just about technology. This is about us. The path forward is not predetermined. AI is a tool, not a destiny. It's a mirror that reflects our own choices. We can choose to build a world where we use this tool for a more equitable, more creative, and more humane future. Or we can let it create a world of unprecedented inequality and social decay. This conversation is happening right now. In labs, in governments, and in boardrooms. We have to be part of it. We have to decide what kind of future we want to build. So, when the end of work finally arrives, what will we have achieved? Have we built a utopia of human flourishing, or a digital prison of our own making? What is our true purpose beyond labor?